it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Some of you guys have actually Insta DM'd me and asked me how I edit my Instagram pictures, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I hope you enjoy. I use Adobe Lightroom Classic and sometimes Facetune a little bit, so I'll show you guys all that I do. Let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm cutting into this video because Mother's Day is approaching, and this is my mom.
Hi.
This is my mom, and I'm so excited because Luisa, my favorite jewelry company, I've worked with them before and they are amazing. So they have a Mother's Day campaign going on right now, and they asked me to gift my mother some jewelry, and I was like, all right. But also I had to get some things for myself too because I love their jewelry and I wanted some things too. But so we have my mom here, and I'm gonna gift her some jewelry thanks to Luisa. So super, super grateful. We're gonna unbox it right now. I love Luisa because they are a jewelry company from New York, and they're also super sustainable, which is one of my favorite things. I always preach that in almost every video. I'm like, I love sustainable companies. They're carbon neutral. 100% of the carbon emissions related to their products' life cycles are offset. They're also fair prices, like their jewelry starts at $39. Long-lasting pieces crafted from like noble metals with a 365-day year warranty. And they also make their jewelry with limited batches, ensuring the highest production value while eliminating excessive waste. So this jewelry is beautiful to gift yourself, to your mother, to your significant other, to anyone. The sale is 15% off from now until May 12th. So you could totally purchase it now for 15% off. The link is in the description. Last day to guarantee standard shipping is May 9th. So Mother's Day is important because our mothers give us literally everything. Life, food, shelter, advice, love. Love is the most important one. Love, love, lots of love. So I'm really happy Luisa is giving me the chance to give my mom a beautiful little Mother's Day present right now, right before Mother's Day. And of course, I'll get you some later too. But so Mother's Day is incredibly important. Please show your mom some love this Mother's Day. So it comes like this. I'm super excited to see. Even their packaging, as I remember last time, was super sustainable. So we love to see it. Here is how it comes. Awareness looks good on you. With this jewelry, you choose to express yourself consciously and impact the world beautifully. So let's see what we got. Made from 100% recycled paper. Okay, so I love that they come in these little packages. What do you think?
I love it.
I use these for everything.
I love it. Orange one, blue one. Very nice. Clean, nice.
They're aesthetic. It's definitely very New York City. Okay, which one do you want to open first?
Okay, orange one.
This one's from the Alyssa Beltempo collection. They have a lot of different collections and a lot of different options. Oh, I think this is for you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's what I wanted. Oh my god.
My mom got a matching one to me.
I was so jealous when you had this one. It's what I wanted.
Oh, and they're like bigger, so you like this one a lot more than the one that I have on. She was like, these are too small of change. She wanted like a bigger one, and she's been talking about it for a while. Then we saw it on the Luisa website, and she was like, perfect. I was like, that's exactly what I want. Oh, this is really pretty, this one. I like
it's
that
what I
that.
like it, yeah.
I'll get a shot of you even more up close, but yes, of course. So let's open the black one. Oh, is this the little bracelet? Did you get this? Or I don't even remember anymore. So there's also a little bracelet. It matches my mom's. Like we're obsessed with the paper clip trend. Okay, so this one is actually made from like a different material, which is cool. I haven't. Ooh, these buttons. Did we get everything paper?
Oh my god.
We got everything paper. Okay, so we both get a bracelet.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We're just obsessing on paper clips. So yeah, thank you so much, Luisa, for sending this to me and my mom. My mom doesn't get many of like the YouTube collab things. Actually, I give her a lot. That's a lie. I give her like a lot of things. But this time you could get it personally for yourself.
Thank you very much, baby.
Love you. Happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
My mom and I went outside to take a bunch of pictures, specifically for this video, but also for Instagram content always. So first things first is that I go on Lightroom Classic. I totally recommend using like Adobe Lightroom Classic. At first I was scared and this felt like super extra. And I also at the time didn't have a camera, so I was like, this feels so extra to do all this for an iPhone picture, but I have also edited iPhone pictures onto Adobe Lightroom Classic, and it was just amazing. So even if you don't have a professional camera, like no worries. I think you should still use Adobe Lightroom Classic if you have the Adobe set, which I totally recommend if you're like interested in creating content. Like, I didn't think that Adobe mattered, but now I'm kind of like, yes, Adobe does matter. Like, definitely splurge on the programs if you have the money and if you're really like invested in creating content. You guys are gonna see, like, I have really weird pictures. I take like a million just so that one will be good, which is definitely something I learned from my mom. So I have them all scattered in here. I mean, this is already like pretty cute, but this is like by my house and I love like the brownstone buildings, so it's just like, yes, I love it. And also I totally didn't think about the light on my face, so guys, oh, I loved this picture. Let me see if there's a specific photo I really like. Oh, this is cute, and this is kind of cute. Okay, let's do this picture. So here are a bunch of presets that I have. I got these from 123, so those presets are really fun. And then I've also made my own, and I also have some from literally an ex. So get your presets however way you can. I'm not sure if you can get them free online. You could definitely pay for some of them, but I'm sure there are free presets available and you could always play around. So I have like a million, so I kind of just like scroll really quickly and see what I kind of like or kind of don't. So usually, like, I would never just go with the immediate preset. I would like mess around with the controls on the side as well. So these are my own presets that I made. Jen Chill Vibes is kind of cute. Okay, and let me like scroll through and see. So again, I'm really just scrolling a lot and looking to see what works. This one's kind of cute. This is actually a filter I made for my mom. It's literally titled Mama on it, but oh, I like this actually. So let me just, and all of these presets look different with different lighting, different backgrounds. I like Mama the most, so let me like play around. I'll move you guys to see the controls now. So I play with exposure a little bit, you know, to get more light on here. Contrast, I don't want too much. A highlight. So it's always great to lower the clarity so that the background is a little blurred. That's always a cute move. Saturation is always fun, add a little bit of it. And then this is like the most fun, is like these little things. I love messing with like the light. Like, you know, you can make it like super dull or super bright. I think that's super fun to work with. All the lighting composition. So that's why, like, even if like I get like a little messed up with like the light, it could still work out in my favor if I mess around with these little graphs. So let me just like brighten it just a wee bit. But I do really like getting like a little bit of a faded look, you know? And I love all the colors and keeping it like looking bright and all that. And then here you could mess around with all the colors, which I also super love. And then you could also make like the green even greener if I wanted, which I probably will, honestly, because it looks dope. And I could take away some yellow if I wanted my hair, but like I don't really want to do that. Could also make your face less red. And then there's luminance, which you could also like mess with. Like I might take that down a little bit. I don't know if you guys see it in like these very minuscule little details, but they all kind of make or break a picture. Like they add a lot to it. So yeah, and I think honestly like this one's done, so I'm gonna just export it. But like, let me just show you, like let me reset it. This is what, oh my god, that was such a big change. I didn't even realize I was doing it. Look at that. Ah! That's crazy. And sometimes I just copy it, right? I just messed around with it so much. So let me go to another picture I really like that I took in like the same exact kind of setting. Let's see if it works. Sometimes it won't. Yeah, see here, my skin looks a little too orange, so I wouldn't do it. I guess the lighting was a little different there. I have like a million presets that I use. And I mean, there's like obviously some for like chicer vibes, some for just like really spring vibes, summer vibes, like fall vibes. They're all kind of different. That's kind of cute. It's ridiculous, but sometimes I do really like dark and moody though. Those are kind of my go-tos, is dark and moody, because look at this picture now. It's like kind of more vibey. I probably wouldn't with this one because I'm like happy and smiling, but you guys could imagine the dark and moody could be like really fun. So yeah, just a lot of playing around with this. I would say my best tools are using the adjust and really like messing around with all of these, because it really does a lot. Sometimes you don't even need a preset, you can just mess around with all the colors and make your own thing. So yeah, that was how I edit my Instagram picture. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys!